Since n is a positive integer, so it could be negative as well, then you'd go the other way, right? Good, Nick. I think this moving you out of there has made a huge difference in performance. I can tell. I can tell. I'm happy. I know you're not, but hey, it's not your happiness that counts. It's mine. Okay. Is everybody all right on this? Everybody got this? Okay, some more examples. So on the next example, I'm putting a restriction on where I want the answers. Do you see the restriction there? Now you don't. Now you do. Okay, that about. It's good. So does everybody see where cosine phi is root 3 over 2 came from?
No.
Yeah? Yeah, but how did it come from this line that's given to you? Exactly, exactly. Move the root 3 over, divide by 2, and you get that. Okay? So now you go into your friends table, all students take calculus, and blah, 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 and your answer is pi over 6. Is everybody there? Cosine pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. Is that the only answer?
Yes.
And? Well, I want it only between 0 and 2 pi. That is not the only answer. Give me the answer. I'm waiting for the answer. Sorry? 11 pi over 6. Is everybody with Leon on that? You guys want me to sketch that for you? Do you want to see it drawn out? Okay. So your answer is either in the first quadrant, which you already get. I think everybody gets the first quadrant because that comes right out of friends table, or it's in the fourth quadrant. Okay? And this reference angle here is pi over 6. That's not the angle you want. You want this angle here. Which means you're going to go all the way around to 2 pi and then back off pi. Come back here. So it's going to be 2 pi minus pi over 6, which is 11 pi over 6. Is everybody there? Yeah? Okay? Is everybody all right? How Fang and Sunny, okay, you are now being recorded here, and I'm actually making a comment. I hope you guys are having a good time gaming out there. Not Sunny, Dimi. Okay, is everybody all right here?
Yep.
Okay. Right, different kind of problem, okay? Different kind of problem. It's not asking you to solve this equation this time. Instead, it's asking you to check if it's a solution. So what does that mean? What does that mean? Sorry? Plug it in, plug it in. Do it. Fluent in radians. Let's talk degrees. 4 pi over 3. How many degrees? 240. What quadrant that be in? Nice. What's the reference angle? 60 degrees if you want to keep it in degrees language. Or pi over 3, whatever works for you. Okay? All students take calculus. Cosine positive or negative in that quadrant? Negative. Yeah, ignore him. He doesn't quite know what he's talking about, so ignore him. This is now actually being recorded. Yeah. So, cosine's negative. Okay? Which means that you are really looking for cosine 4 pi over 3, right? You know it's a negative quantity. Friends table. What's cosine of pi over 3? 1/2. So it's a negative 1/2. Everybody with me on that? So then you take this negative 1/2 and you put it in place of cosine x. So what that means, it's going to be 2 times minus 1/2 squared plus 3 times minus 1/2 plus 1. Which gives you 2 times 1/4 minus 3 over 2 plus 1, which gives you 1/2 minus 3/2 plus 1, which gives you 0. So that is a solution. And then you do the same thing with pi. How many people know what cosine pi is? What's cosine pi? -1. Okay, he's going on there because he knows it's being recorded. So he's just kind of brown nosing right now. Okay, just, yeah. Okay, so that means 2 minus 3 plus 1. Is that equal to 0? Sure is. Okay? So everybody all right on this? So they're not asking you to solve this. They're asking you to plug and chug. Okay? Felix, what are you doing there? Can you pay attention here?
Yeah, Felix.
Okay, next question. Next example. Oh, that's a good example. Yeah, I haven't used this for about 2 or 3 weeks, so I think even the pen has stopped registering. So if I look at the corners here, it doesn't, when I point, it's not pointing to where I think it is. Yeah, I got to calibrate then. Okay, some suggestions as to how to do this. Some suggestions as to how to do this. Some suggestions as to how to do this. Move the 4 over. Okay, you can go ahead and do that. Divide by 3, that's fine. What next?